Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit, my host on Click Digest, and what I'm going to review today is a fitness tracker, the Fitbit Ionic, their flagship, their latest smart fitness tracker, I would say. And I'm gonna tell you all about my experience with it and the key highlights and the key features of the new Fitbit Ionic. Now, if you're aware of Fitbit as a brand, they make some really good fitness trackers. In fact, they are the leaders in fitness trackers when it comes to accuracy, when it comes to functionality. And as far as I have experienced, they are the best in battery life as well. Most of the Fitbits that I have used usually last 5 days on a full charge. That is a lot. This one is 50% charge, and I charged it probably 3 days back and still going good. And this one is their best Fitbit ever because it comes with a curved glass designs. It's slightly curved, slightly raised if you see from this angle, and it feels very nice. The display quality is the best that I have seen, and it's a full colored display. It gives you really good detail, and the display is not the only good part about it. There are many other good features as well. To start with, the build seems very sturdy and solid, and the straps that you see are very easily replaceable. There is a small tab here. When you just press it, it removes the strap, and you can buy replacement straps, the ones that you like, and you can replace it. There are 3 colors that are sold, and there are multiple strap accessories that you can buy separately, and it feels very solid. The clasp mechanism is also kind of double lock, so if you are going running with it, you don't need to worry about accidental opening of this, because there is this normal lock mechanism, and then there is clasp mechanism which locks it in place, so you can be really assured that it won't accidentally fall off without your knowledge. Another good thing about this one is that it comes with inbuilt GPS, like the Surge that we saw earlier. And now it also has 4 gigs of internal memory, which lets you store up to 300 songs, and it has inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so it can sync songs on this thing. So you can have your music stored on this device, have a Bluetooth headset paired, and you can go running with inbuilt GPS without carrying your smartphone. So if you are a runner, this is something that you would really like. Apart from that, this has many other additional features. To start with, the watch faces here are better compared to other Fitbits because this one is a better detail, higher resolution display. You can have multiple watch faces. This one, for example, shows different graphic at different time of the day. Right now it is evening time, so it is showing an evening graphic. At night it will show night graphic. And in the morning it will show a very nice day graphic. And once you are inside, you can see the usual details, which tells you steps, also tells you distance, calories, floors, active minutes, etc. Then you have your usual exercise menu, which is more visual compared to any other Fitbit that I have seen. So you have run, bike, and you can actually customize it based on what you actually do. So if you are into yoga, if you are into swimming, you can customize this using the application. Then you have the coach, which is a new feature. It is a good touch. It gives you visual workout tips. For example, jumping jacks. It shows you on screen how to do this exercise, and once you start this, it will start tracking your heart rate, etc. The heart rate tracking on Fitbits have been quite good. I've been using Fitbits for quite some time now, and I like the way they track heart rate. It's quite accurate, and here you have the heart rate sensor at the back. You can see this light glowing. It is automatic heart rate sensor, so it not only tracks your movements but also your heart rate in conjunction. Then you have the relax feature, wallet feature. I'm not sure wallet functionality works in India as of now or not, but it is an NFC like functionality where you can store your card information, but you have to program that using the application. And in some countries it works, but I'm not sure about India. Then you have timers, alarms, and this time you have also got a weather app, and this one also comes with the Fitbit OS, which allows more applications. So you can have applications installed on this one. For example, this one comes with Strava. So you can have multiple applications. So this is more of a smart interface. When you swipe up from the bottom, you get notification. When you swipe down from the top, you get the music controls, and this is about it. The functionality of this is quite good. The build is quite sturdy. A few downsides is that it feels thicker compared to the Blaze that I was using earlier, but this one comes with inbuilt GPS. But the quality of construction has definitely gone up. The metallic build, the strength that the assurance that you get from the quality of material, the touch interface has become really good, and the display quality has gone way better compared to the previous generation. So it is a good buy. It comes at a very hefty price of 23,000 rupees. So if you are in the market to get the best of the best fitness trackers, you have to spend some money for it. It is available in all major stores and online stores as well. I'll leave the best buy links in the description section below if you want to pick up one for yourself. It is a recommended accessory for your fitness if you are into fitness, and if you want something which is really serious, gives you good battery life, not only looks good but also works really well. It is not a very high on the smart features because the notifications are limited. You can't take calls, but when it comes to fitness, nothing beats a Fitbit. It is simply the best fitness device, a brand you can trust. The Fitbit trackers are among the best and offer you the best battery life when it comes to fitness tracking. That's all we have on this video. If you enjoyed watching it, give us a thumbs up. For more videos, stay subscribed. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.